So once again, very good morning to all of you. We were with the chapter debentures. So quickly, one of you tell me what is debentures? Yes. Who will tell me about debentures? First, what are debentures? I don't want any definition. I need it in your own words, what you understood about debentures. Yes, Tomlin, tell me.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, share return instrument acknowledging a debt of a company.
Very good. Okay, that's good. You're right. And okay, you're right. So tell me in your own words, what are debentures actually? It is a written document, acknowledgement of debt, all that is perfect. Okay, so what is this actually? What are these debentures? They are loans. Okay, loan taken from whom?
Ma'am, public.
They are loans taken from the public. Long-term financing. Okay, long-term sources of funds. Okay, so far, thank you, Tomlin. So far, we have discussed about the issue of debentures, how they are issued, the journal entries related to issue of debentures. We also saw the case of oversubscription and also issue of debentures for consideration other than cash and also as collateral security. Yes, these many topics are over. Today, we are going to discuss about redemption of debentures. Redemption of debentures. So, in the previous questions, whatever questions so far we have did in the class, you might have noticed the sentence issued 10,000 9% debentures redeemable at par after 9 years. Have you noticed such sentences? After 5 years, redeemable at premium, not premium. We haven't seen such question, but still. So, when a debenture is issued, along with that, the details of redemption are also provided. What is redemption? Redemption means the repayment. We know these debentures are, please switch on the video, Sharath, Anila, Pavitra, Aditya. Aditya, okay, she had messaged me. Others, please switch on the video. Okay, these debentures, they are actually loans. And when you take some loan, definitely this should be repaid. Yes, after that particular period of time for which the loan is taken. After that, it is our responsibility to repay back the loan. Similarly, with the case of debentures, they are loans taken from the public and it is clearly mentioned for how many period, the tenure for which the loan is taken. Okay, after that particular tenure, this has to be repaid. So, coming to the term redemption, redemption means repayment. Okay, redemption means repayment. Repayment of amount to the debenture holders. The one who holds debentures are called debenture holders. Okay, so today's topic is issue and redemption of debentures. Once again, the debentures, it is long-term, fixed interest-bearing security, or you can say it's an instrument issued by the company to raise funds. When the company is in need of money, they are coming to the public. They are asking the public to give some money as a loan. Okay, it is issued to the public and this becomes the borrowed capital. The debentures are the borrowed capital. Person having or holding debenture is called debenture holder. And so the debenture holder, who is he? He is the creditor of the company. Creditor. Okay. So I think the meaning is clear to everyone. Repayment. Redemption means repayment. Redemption of debentures to debenture holders. Okay. And as compared to shares, I told you when it is issued, the shares are issued only at par and premium. And it is also issued at discount regarding which type of shares? Regarding sweat equity shares only. When the shares are issued to the existing members of the company, then only the shares will be issued at discount. But debentures, they will be issued at par, premium as well as discount. That is the case of issue. But when it is redeemed, that is, when repayment is done, it is either done at par or premium only. Okay. Okay. Now let us see the cases regarding the issue of debentures from the point of view of redemption. We have 6 cases. We are going to see the journal entries regarding these 6 cases. How is this redeemed? There are 6 cases. Debentures issued at par, redeemable at par. Okay, it is issued at par, redeemable at par. Issued at discount, redeemable at par. Issued at premium, but redeemable at par. This is the first 3 cases. So, see, par, discount, premium. And redemption is at par itself. Okay, issue at par, discount, premium, and it is redeemable at par itself. That is the first 3 cases. Now coming to issued at par, redeemable at premium. Issued at discount, redeemable at premium. Issued at premium, redeemable at premium. So these are the 6 ways how the redemption is done regarding the various kinds of issue of debentures. Okay. So 6 cases. Par, issued at par, discount, premium, redeemable at par, par. Issued at par, discount, premium, redeemable at premium. Okay, clear, no? So redemption is not done at discount. That is a point to be noted here. Okay. Now let us see the journal entries. Journal entries. Is it over? Shall we start writing the journal entries? I'll dictate, you'll take down. Are you all ready? Okay, write the first heading, issued at par, redeemable at premium. I'm sorry, at par. Issued at par, redeemable at par. Write down the first heading. Issued at par and redeemable at premium. Oh, again I said premium. redeemable at par. Okay, the first journal entry is related to issue. How is it issued? Regarding issue, when it is issued. What is the journal entry? When you issue debentures, definitely you will get money. So first journal entry is bank account debtor to percentage debentures account. Percentage debentures account. This is regarding the issue. Okay. It is at par. Par means same as the face value. No doubt. Now the next one is when the amount is due. Amount due for redemption. Amount due for redemption. When it is due, the journal entry is percentage debentures account debtor to debenture holders. To debenture holders account. Okay. So first case is issued at par and redeemable at par. We are discussing that. So first journal entry is related to issue. When it is issued, you get money, bank account debtor to percentage debentures account. Amount due, it is due. So debentures account debtor to debenture holders. Now when it is paid, what could be the journal entry when it is paid? When payment is done, that is when it is redeemed. It is time for the payment. So payment made, you can write the heading, payment made. When it is made, what happens? Money goes out. So debenture holders account debtor, debenture holders, debenture holders account debtor to bank, to bank account. Clear, no? The three entries: issued at par, redeemable at par. It is issued, so you get the money, bank account debtor to percentage debentures account. Amount due for redemption, it is ready for redemption, percentage debentures account debtor to debenture holders. Payment is made, debenture holders account debtor, to whom the payment is made, it is to the debenture holders. And your cash get reduced, bank balance get reduced, asset decrease to bank. Okay, so write down an example. Example. Take down a question. Example. A Limited issued 14% debentures, 14% debentures of rupees 4 lakh issued at par, redeemable at par. %, debentures of rupees 4 lakh okay, issued at par, redeemable at par. 14% debentures of rupees 4 lakh issued at par, redeemable at par. Okay, let us do the problem. Work out. First one, issue. Bank account debtor to debentures. It is at par. There is nothing, no confusions, nothing, no need of any other calculations. So bank account debtor 4 lakh. You get 4 lakh. Bank account debtor 4 lakh. 2% debentures 4 lakh. Now amount is due. Amount is due. Amount is due for redemption. How much is due? Again 4 lakh is due. 4 lakh, 4 lakh. Payment is done. Same 4 lakh is paid. Okay, over. Okay, so write the next heading. Issued at premium, redeemable at par. Issued at premium. Issued at premium and redeemable at par. So here, only the journal entry of issue will change. When you issue debentures at premium, what is the journal entry? What is that account newly created? Shubham? No. Anjo? Okay, when you issue debentures or shares at a premium, what is that account that is created?
Security premium.
Yes, securities premium account. Yes. So where is that coming? Is it on the debit side or credit side? It is always credited. So issue bank account debtor to debentures account to securities premium account. Securities premium account. Yes, this is the journal entry. And when the amount is due and payment made, that remains the same. Why? The redemption is at par itself. It is at par. There is no change. Okay? Issued at par. Bank account debtor to percentage debentures account debtor to securities premium account. When amount is due for redemption, percentage debentures account debtor to debenture holders. When payment is made, debenture holders account debtor to bank. Okay, let's do a example. A Limited issued. A Limited issued 14% debentures. 14% debentures of rupees 4 lakh. Of rupees 4 lakh issued at 10% premium and redeemable at par. So here you might have noticed number of debentures are not mentioned. Okay, did you take down the question? I mean the example. A Limited issued 14% debentures of rupees 4 lakh issued at 10% premium and redeemable at par. So first entry, issue bank account debtor 2% debentures account to securities premium. So what is the amount that goes to 2% debentures account? How much will go? It is always the face value. Always to share capital account or 2% debentures account. Only the face value will go. So how much is the face value? The amount is 4 lakh. 4 lakh. 2% debentures 4 lakh. Now it is said that 10% premium. So find out 10% of 4 lakh. That is 40,000. So the extra money collected as premium will go to securities premium account 40,000. So what is bank account now? Amount that will be 4,40,000. Bank account debtor 2% debentures account to securities premium. So 2% debentures account, always the face value will go. That is 4 lakh. And it is issued at 10% premium. So 40,000, 4 lakh into 10 by 100, 40,000. So what is the actual amount received? Bank account debtor 4,40,000. Now write down the redemption amount due for redemption, payment made. It is at par. So how much is the repayment amount? It is only 4 lakh. Redemption is done at par. That means in the face value. 4 lakh, 4 lakh. When payment is made, debentures holders account debtor 4 lakh. 4 lakh is repaid to bank account 4 lakh. All of you have switched off your video. Yes. So this part is clear. Issued at premium, redeemable at par. So redemption is at par. Okay. So if you have completed, write down the next heading. Issued at discount, redeemable at par. Issued at discount. issued at discount, redeemable at par. So what is the change that will come here? It is only in the entry of issue. So when the debentures are issued at a discount, what is that new account created? Aditya? When the debentures are issued at a discount, what is that entry? I mean, what is that account created? Anila?
Yes, ma'am.
When it is issued at a discount, regarding the issue entry, which is that new account that will come in? Issued at a discount. When it was premium, we credited securities premium account.
Ma'am, calls.
Sorry? We will debit it to discount on issue of debentures. Bank account debtor, discount on issue of debentures account debtor. Okay? Discount on issue of debentures account debtor to percentage debentures account. Okay? Why is it debited? It is a loss. Discount on issue of debentures is actually loss. Loss increase, you debit expense. Discount on issue of debentures account debtor to percentage debentures account. Okay. And how about the amount due for redemption and payment made? Will there be any change? There is no change. The entries remain the same. Why? It is again redeemable at par value itself. It is redeemable at par. Okay. So issue of issued at discount, redeemable at par. Issue entry will change. Bank account debtor, discount on issue of debentures account debtor to percentage debentures account. Amount due and payment made, the entry is the same. So let us do an example. A Limited issued. A Limited issued 14% debentures of rupees 4 lakh, 14% debentures of rupees 4 lakh at 10% discount. %10 discount and redeemable at par. And redeemable at par. A Limited issued 14% debentures of rupees 4 lakh at 10% discount and redeemable at par. Yes. So how to write the amounts now? Bank account debtor, discount on issue of debentures account debtor, 2% debentures. 2% debentures, always the face value will go. So what is the amount going there? It is 4 lakh. 4 lakh. 4 lakh will go to percentage debentures. It is issued at 10% discount. So 10% of 4 lakh, 40,000. Discount on issue of debentures is 40,000 discounted. So what is the amount received? How much will go to bank account? 4 lakh minus 40,000, that is 3 lakh 60,000. Bank account debtor 3 lakh 60,000. Discount on issue of debentures account debtor 40,000. 2% debentures 4 lakh. Now complete the next two entries also. Amount is due. Percentage debentures account debtor 4 lakh. To debenture holders 4 lakh. Payment is made 4 lakh. Debenture holders account debtor 4 lakh. To bank account 4 lakh. Okay. So these were the first 3 cases where issue was done either at par, premium or discount, but redemption is done at par itself. Clear, no? Okay. So moving to the next head, the fourth one, issued at par, redeemable at premium. Redeemable at premium. Okay. So here the entries are going to change. The first entry is related to issue. Entry is bank account debtor. Bank account debtor. Loss on issue of debentures. Account debtor. Loss on issue on debentures account debtor. 2% debentures. 2% debentures account. 2 premium on redemption. 2 premium on redemption account. Premium on redemption account. This is the entry for issue. Issued at par, redeemable at premium. Issue. Bank account debtor. loss on issue of debentures account debtor, 2% debentures account, 2 premium on redemption account. Now take down the next entry when it is due. Amount due. Amount due entry is percentage debentures account debtor, premium on redemption account debtor, premium on redemption. Why? Redemption is going to be done at a premium. Redemption account debtor to debenture holder. To debenture holder. Debenture holder's account. Amount due. Now, what is the entry for payment? Payment entry will be the same. Debenture holders account debtor to bank. The payment is done. Money is given to debenture holders. Bank account get reduced. Payment entry. Debenture holders account debtor. Debenture holders account debtor to bank. To bank account. Okay, take down the example. A Limited issued 14% debentures, 14% debentures of rupees 4 lakh of rupees 4 lakh issued at par, redeemable at 10% premium. Issue at par, redeemable 10% premium. Okay, so let us start working it out. Write down the first journal entry. Bank account debtor, discount on issue of, loss on issue of debentures account debtor, 2% debentures account, 2 premium on redemption account. First, we'll write the amount that goes to percentage debentures account. How much is that? 4 lakh. Okay, it is 4 lakh. Now, redemption is done at premium 10%. So 4 lakh into 10%, 40,000. 40,000. I hope this part is clear. Redemption is done at premium. So 2% debentures account, always the face value 4 lakh. 2 premium on redemption, 40,000. Okay. Issued at par. Issue is done at par. So how much is the amount that will be received? How much will go to bank? It is at par. So only 4 lakh will go. Issues at par. Par means the face value. So only 4 lakh will come to the bank account. And see, only 4 lakh is coming inside, but the repayment is 4 lakh 40,000. So actually it is loss for the company. So that loss, how much is that loss? The balancing figure, the difference, how much is that? 40,000. Yes, it is issued and only 4 lakh is received, but we are paying 4,40,000 in return back. So 40,000 is actually loss on issue of debentures account debtor 40,000. Okay. Okay. Now amount due. How much is due? How much is going to be repaid? Percentage debentures account debtor 4 lakh. Premium on redemption account debtor 40,000. So how much is going to be repaid to debenture holders? We have to pay 4,40,000. Redemption repayment is at premium. And when the payment is done, how much will go out of the bank? 4,40,000. We are going to pay 4,40,000. So debenture holders account debtor 4,40,000 to bank 4,40,000. Yes, completed? No? Please switch on the video, everyone. Adidev, this is 12A. Oh. Okay, did you all finish that? Completed that?
Yes, ma'am.
We'll continue this session also. We'll take a break, 5 minutes break. So let us continue with issue and redemption of debentures. So I hope this is over. Issued at par, redeemable at premium. Finish, no? Okay. So right, yes, over? Yes, okay. Now write down the next heading, issued at discount, redeemable at premium. Issued at discount. Issued at discount, redeemable at premium. Here also, the first entry is the same. Entry is the same, only regarding the amount, there will be difference. I'll explain that when we do the example problem. Now you may take down the same journal entries. Issued at discount, redeemable at premium. Okay. Issuers bank account debtor, loss on issue of debentures account debtor to debenture account to premium on redemption. All the entries are the same. Amount due, percentage debentures account debtor, premium on redemption account debtor. Okay, Anila. Then when payment is done, debenture holders account debtor to bank. Okay. Now take down the example question. A Limited issued 14% debentures of rupees 4 lakh. 4 lakh issued at 10% discount 10% discount and redeem that 10% premium. 14% debentures of rupees 4 lakh. Okay. So let us see how is the amount calculation. Okay. So to 10% debentures, it is always the face value 4 lakh. Okay. And to premium on redemption, it is redeemed at 10% premium. So 4 lakh into 10%, 40,000. Premium on redemption account, 40,000. Okay. Now, how is the issue done? Issue is at 10% discount. Yes. So, do we receive 4 lakh rupees? No. We will receive 4 lakh minus 10% of 4 lakh, 40,000. So that will be 3,60,000. Am I right? How much is the amount going to bank account? 3,60,000. Why? It is issued at discount. 4 lakh minus 40,000. 10% discount. Okay, so we are receiving only 3,60,000, but the company is paying 4,40,000. So here comes two losses. Two losses are there. Two loss. 40,000 regarding the issue. This is a loss, 40,000. And again, this is also another loss, 40,000. Yes. So how much will go to loss on issue of debentures? That is 80,000. Clear, no? Issues done at a discount. 10% discount. So 40,000 is discounted there. So only 3,60,000 is received by the company. 4 lakh is the face value. 3,60,000 only is received. So there we have a loss of 40,000. Okay. Only 3,60,000 is received, but look at the payment redemption 4,40,000. We are redeeming at a premium. So this extra 40,000 premium, that is also a loss for the company. So there are two loss coming here. Discount 40,000 loss and premium 40,000 loss. So amount is 80,000. Or else you can get it as the balancing figure also. Yes, Femina, are you there? Femina?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear? Did you understand? Okay, so what is the next entry? Percentage debentures account debtor, premium on redemption. How much will be the amounts? 4 lakh. Percentage debentures account debtor 4 lakh. Premium on redemption 40,000. So payment is 4,40,000. 4,40,000. Now the payment is made. How much has to be paid? 4 lakh, 40 has to be paid. Anybody is having doubt, please ask now itself. If it is not clear, please let me know. I'll explain again.
Ma'am, can you explain it again?
This one, the first entry.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, the case is issued at discount. We are issuing, the company is issuing the debentures at a discount and repayment is done at premium. That is the case. Okay. Now, here number of debentures are not given. If that was there, it could have been easy. We just had to multiply with the discounted rate, all those rates. But here, the number of debentures are not given. We are directly dealing with the amount. Okay. So here I told you the amount received is 4 lakh. Always 2% debentures account face value will go. So here it is 4 lakh. Okay, 4 lakh. Now, redemption, that is the repayment is done at a premium 10%. Okay, we are not giving only 4 lakh, 4 lakh plus additional amount premium is also given back. Repayment is done at a premium. So 4 lakh into 10 by 100, how much is that? It is 40,000. Okay. So, premium on redemption, how much is that extra money given? 40,000. Is that part clear? Now, come to the issue. How is the issue done? Issued at a discount. Issue is done at discount. Discount is again 10%. 4 lakh, 10% of 4 lakh, 40,000. Even though the amount is 4 lakh, we are collecting only 4 lakh minus 40,000. 3 lakh 60,000 from the public. 4 lakh is actually the money minus 40,000. What is this 40,000? 10% discount. 4 lakh into 10%, 40,000. We are collecting from the public only 3 lakh 60,000. 4 lakh minus 40,000. Okay. So what is the amount that goes to loss on issue of debentures? Either you can find it as the balancing figure. Here you have 4 lakh 40,000. Here you have 3 lakh 60. Either you can find it like this, 4 lakh 40 minus 3 lakh 60. This way. Okay, this amount. But actually, what is these amounts coming here? Here we are having two losses. Yes, we have two losses. First of all, we have issued it at discount. So already 40,000 less is received. This much less is received. So that is first loss. Plus, now only 3 lakh 60 is received, but payment is made 4 lakh 40. I mean 40,000 additional is given. Again, that is another loss for the company. So here we have two losses regarding the discount as well as regarding the redemption at premium. So the amount which goes to loss on issue of debentures is 80,000. Okay, 80,000. Now is it clear? 80,000. Okay. Amount due, payment done, 4,40,000. That is the amount we have to pay to the public. 4,40,000. We are paying them at a premium of 10%. That is about issued at discount, redeemable at premium. Clear? Now coming to the last case, the sixth one. Issued at premium, redeemable at premium. Issued at premium, redeemable at premium. Issue is also at premium. Redemption also at premium. Okay. So here we will have one more account. Take down the journal entry for issue. Issue. Bank account debtor. Bank account debtor. Loss on issue of debentures. Loss on issue of debentures account debtor. Okay. 2% debentures account. 2% debentures account. Now we are issuing at a premium. So we will have 2 securities premium account. Securities premium account. And again, redemption is also at premium. So premium on redemption account. Premium on redemption. We have 3 accounts to be credited and 2 accounts on the debit side. This is issue at premium, redeemable at premium. Amount due and payment done, that is both same. Amount due. Percentage debentures account debtor, premium on redemption, because the premium redemption is at premium only, no? So there is no change. It is same as the other 2 cases. Now let us see an example problem, then you'll understand better. Okay, A Limited issued 14% debentures of rupees 4 lakh at 10% premium, issued 10% premium. Redemption is also 10% premium. Okay. Now let us see the amounts. So among these 6 cases, this is the only one which has to be taken care of. Okay. Bank account debtor, loss on issue of debentures account debtor, 2% debentures account, 2 securities premium, 2 premium on redemption. So let us see how much is the amount going to percentage debentures. It is 4 lakh. Now there is no doubt regarding percentage debentures account. Always the face value will go. Okay. Yes. Now it is issued at a premium. Issued at a premium. Always remember, when the shares or debentures, when it is issued at a premium, the extra amount collected, we are crediting it to securities premium account. So how much is the extra money here? 10% of 4 lakh, 40,000 goes to securities premium account. Yes. Now again, premium on redemption. Again, when it is redeemed, another premium, 10% premium, we are going to give it back at a premium 10%, which is again 40,000. Okay. 4 lakh, securities premium 40,000, premium on redemption 40,000. So it is issued at a premium. So how much is the money coming into the bank? It is including premium. The money we are collecting is including the premium. So 4,40,000 will go to the bank. 4,40,000 will go to the bank. Now here, how many losses are there? There is only one loss, the premium on redemption, 40,000. Okay. Yes. Issued at premium, redeemable at premium. It is issued at premium. We will have securities premium account to be credited. Then redemption is at premium. We have the premium on redemption account to be credited, 2% debentures account. Bank account debtor, loss on issue of debentures account debtor. So it is including premium, the amount is collected. So 4,40,000 will come to the bank. Okay, that's it. Amount due, percentage debentures account debtor, 4 lakh, premium on redemption, 40,000. To debenture holders account, 4,40,000. Payment is done. Debenture holders account debtor to bank, 4,40,000. Yes. Here. Those who have completed so far can go to question number 13 in the textbook. Question number 13. Yes, start doing question number 13, those who have completed. Have you all completed this? Question number 13. Journalize the following. Very simple problem. Only you have to write these amounts. There is no number of debentures, nothing. Journalize the following. A debenture issued at rupees 95, repayable at rupees 100. So it is issued at discount, redeemed at par. Debenture issued at rupees 95, repayable at rupees 105. So that is issued at discount, redeemed at premium, and debenture issued at rupees 100, that is at par, repayable at premium. So we have written the journal entries, and also the example problems are also given to you. Try to do it yourself, please. Question number 13. Switch on the video and do the problem. Let me see you all doing. Pavitra, please keep your video on. Irfan, Anila. Those who have completed the company profile, please do it, send it to me today itself. Those who have completed, give me a thumbs up. Question number 13. Switch on the video. Anjo, please keep your video on. Any difficulty? Anyone?